guys. Baik, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Zahra Maristy Indriana dengan NIM 10618101. Di sini saya akan menggambar dental anatomi untuk gigi sulung. Saya akan menggambar insisif 1 dan 2 rahang bawah sulung. Selanjutnya saya akan menggambar kanines rahang bawah sulung, dan yang terakhir saya akan menggambar molar 1 dan molar 2 rahang bawah sulung. Oke, dimulai dari insisif 1 rahang bawah sulung. Saya akan mulai sekarang.
Lately I've been thinking about what we had. I know it's hard, it was all that we knew. Yeah.
Have you been drinking to take all the pain away? I wish that I could give you what you deserve.
'Cause nothing can ever replace you. Nothing can make me feel like you do. Yeah.
You know there's no one I can relate to, and no one will find that I love that's so true.
There's nothing like us.
There's nothing like you and me, together through the storm. There's nothing like us.
There's nothing like you and me together. Oh.
I gave you everything, babe, everything I had to give. Girl, why would you push me away?
Yeah. Lost in confusion, like an illusion.
You know I'm used to making your day, but that is past now. We didn't last now. Guess that this is meant to be. Yeah.
Tell me, was it worth it? We were so perfect.
But baby, I just want you to say something like us.
There's nothing like you and me
together through the storm.
There's nothing like us.
There's nothing like you and me together. Oh. There's nothing like us. There's nothing like you and me together through the storm. And there's nothing like us. There's nothing like you and me together.
Goodbye, love, you flew right by, love. Remember the way you made me feel, such young love, but something in me knew that it was real, frozen in my head. Pictures I'm living through for now, trying to remember all the good times. Our light was cutting through so loud. Memories are playing in my dull mind. I hate this part, paper hearts, and I'll hold a piece of yours. Don't think I would just forget about it, hoping that you won't forget about it. Everything is gray under these skies, wet mascara, hiding every cloud pictures I'm living through for now. Trying to remember all the good times. Our life is cutting through so loud. Memories are playing in my mind. Hate this part, paper heart, and I hold a piece of yours. Don't think I would just forget about it. Hoping that you won't forget. I lived through pictures as if I was right there.
Gosipin apa?
Your side, but you'll be good without me. And if I could just give it some time, I'll be alright. Goodbye, love, you flew right by love. Pictures I'm living through for now. Trying to remember all the now. My light was cutting through so loud. Memories are playing in my mind now. Hate this part, paper heart, and I hold a piece of yours. Don't think I would just forget about it. Hoping that you won't forget. So you said you found somebody else, and I prayed that that was just a lie. So I said I loved you one more time, in case that
Saya sudah selesai menggambar insisif 1 rahang bawah sulung. Untuk hasilnya ini untuk aspek labial. Selanjutnya ini yang aspek lingualnya. Ini untuk yang mesial. Selanjutnya ini yang aspek dari sisalnya. Yang terakhir ini yang aspek distal. Baik, selanjutnya saya bakal menggambar insisif 2 rahang bawah sulung.
You said you found somebody else, and I hoped that this wasn't goodbye. But I can't help but wonder what went wrong to make forever dead and gone. You said I don't want your body, but I know that you can find yourself somebody else. Your love is gone cold, and it doesn't feel like home when I hold you close. And I'm looking at you, trying to figure out if this is what you really want. You said I don't want your body, but I know that you can find yourself somebody else. You said I don't want your body, but I know that you can find yourself somebody else. I guess I don't want your body if you're wishing you were lying here with someone else. You used to tell me that you loved me once. What happened? What happened? Where is all of this coming from? What happened? What happened? You say I'm crazy and there's nothing wrong. You're lying and you know I know. Baby, what do we become? What happened? We used to never go to bed angry, but it's all we ever do lately. And you turn it away like you hate me. Do you hate me? Do you hate me? Oh. Remember when you loved me once? What happened? What happened? And you'd hold me here just because. What happened? No, we used to never go to bed angry, but it's all we ever do lately. You're turning away like you hate me. Do you hate me? Do you hate me? Yeah, can take this heart, heal it all, break it all apart. Now, this isn't fair. Love me or leave me here. Love me or leave me here. Love me or leave me here. And love me, baby, please. 'Cause I can still be the only one you need, the only one close enough to feel your breath. Yeah, I can still be the place where you run instead of the one that you're running from. Oh, yeah, can take this heart, heal it all, break it all apart. Now, this isn't fair. Love me or leave me here. Love me or leave me here. Love me or leave me here. Feeling used, but I'm still missing you, and I can't see the end of this. Just wanna feel your kiss against my lips, and now all this time is passing by, but I still can't seem to tell you why. It hurts me every time I see you, realize how much I need you. I hate you, I love you, I hate that I love you. Don't want to, but I can't put nobody else above you. I hate you, I love you, I hate that I want you. You want her, you need her, and I'll never be her.
I miss you when I can't sleep, or right after coffee, or right when I can't eat. I miss you in my front seat. Still got sand in my sweaters from nights we don't remember. Do you miss me like I miss you? Fucked around and got attached to you. Friends can break your heart too, and I'm always tired but never of you. If I pulled a you on you, you wouldn't like that shit. I put this real out but you wouldn't bite that shit. I type a text but then I never mind that shit. I got these feelings but you never mind that shit. Oh, keep it on the low. You still in love with me but your friends don't know. If you wanted me, you would just say so. And if I were you, I would never let me go. I don't mean no harm, I just miss you on my arm. Wedding bells were just alarms, caution tape around my heart. You ever wonder what we could have been? You said you wouldn't and you fucking did. Lie to me, lie with me, get your fucking fix. Now all my drinks and all my feelings are all fucking mixed. Always missing people that I shouldn't be missing. Sometimes you gotta burn some bridges just to create some distance. I know that I control my thoughts and I should stop reminiscing, but I learned from my dad that it's good to have feelings when love and trust are gone. I guess this is moving on. Everyone I do right does me wrong, so every lonely night I sing this song.
I hate you, I love you, I hate that I love you. Don't want to, but I can't put nobody else above you. I hate you, I love you, I hate that I want you. You want her, you need her, and I'll never be her. All alone I watch you watch her, like she's the only girl you've ever seen. You don't care, you never did. You don't give a damn about
gambar yang kedua, yaitu sisir 2 rahang bawah sulung. Ini hasilnya. Ini terlihat di sini ada aspek labial. Ini bagian lingualnya terhadap sulung. Selanjutnya ini yang mesial, aspek mesial. Dan ini aspek insisalnya. Dan yang terakhir ini adalah aspek dari distalnya. Baik, selanjutnya saya akan menggambar molar 1 rahang bawah sulung.
Now you're on Cabo, hanging with your brother, wishing that I was your bridal, so I could be close to your lips again. I know you didn't call your parents and tell them that we ended, cause you know that they'd be offended. Did you not wanna tell them it's the end? And I know we're not supposed to talk, but I'm getting ahead of myself. I get scared when we're not, cause I'm scared you're with somebody else, so I guess that it's gone. And I just keep lying to myself. Oh, I can't believe it. I miss you, yeah, I miss you. I miss you, yeah, I miss you. Oh, I do. I miss you, yeah, I miss you. Though I'm trying not to right now. Got them saved in my mind from the bedroom, so that way I can't forget your skin. So I saved all the texts, all of the best over the years, just to remind myself of how good it is. Or was. And I know we're not supposed to talk, but I'm getting ahead of myself. I'm scared when we're not, cause I'm scared you're with somebody else, so I guess that it's gone. And I just keep lying to myself. Oh, I can't believe it. I miss you, yeah, I miss you. I miss you, yeah, I miss you. Oh, I do. I miss you, yeah, I miss you. Though I'm trying not to right now. All of the best over the years, just to remind myself of how good it is. Yeah, I saved all the texts, all from my ex, minus the tears, just to remind myself of how good it is. Oh, it was, cause I miss you, yeah, I miss you. I miss you, yeah, I miss you. Oh, I do. But I just no, I'm trying not to right now. I can't help it, I just. How the hell does a broken heart get back together when it's torn apart? Teach yourself to start beating again. This little blue bird came looking for you. I said that I hadn't seen you in quite some time. And this little blue bird, she came looking again. I said we weren't even friends, she could have you. Don't you think it was hard? I didn't even say that you died, but it wouldn't have been such a lie, 'cause then I started to cry. This the bluebird sure won't give it a rest. She swears that you may be better than all the rest. I said no, you've got it all wrong. If he was something special, I wouldn't have this song. Don't you think it was hard?
Untuk yang ini saya telah menyelesaikan menggambar kanina sulung rahang bawah. Untuk hasilnya bisa dilihat. Ini adalah yang aspek dari labialnya. Selanjutnya ini adalah dari lingual. Di sini terlihat sulung dan fosanya ada dua. Kemudian ini yang mesial, ini yang distal, ini adalah yang isi sulung. Nah, untuk yang ini baru saya akan menggambar molar 1 rahang bawah sulung. Oke, kita mulai gambar ya.
Come around here anymore, so I went looking for her, and I found you. Sun is filling up the room, and I can hear you dreaming. Do you feel the way I do right now? I wish we would just give up, 'cause the best part is falling. Call it anything but love, and I will make sure to keep my distance. Say I love you and you're not listening. And how long can we keep this up? Please don't stand so close to me. I'm having trouble breathing. I'm afraid of what you'll see right now. I give you everything I am, all my broken heartbeats, until I know you'll understand. And I will make sure to keep my distance. Say I love you and How long can we keep this up, up, up? Make sure to keep my distance. Say I love you when you're not listening. How long till we call this love, love, love? Well, the city's breaking down on a camel's back, and they'll just have to go, 'cause they don't know where. So you feel the streets, it's appealing to see. You won't get out of county 'cause you're bad and free.
Untuk molar 1 rahang bawah sulungnya sudah jadi. Bisa dilihat hasilnya seperti ini. Ini adalah aspek dari bukalnya. Yang ini lingual. Selanjutnya ini adalah mesialnya. Yang ini dari oklusal. Selanjutnya yang terakhir ini adalah distalnya. Oke, untuk yang terakhir saya akan menggambarkan molar 2 rahang bawah sulung. Baik, dimulai dari sekarang.
Don't stop, get it, we are your captains and it's steady, watch me navigate. Don't stop, get it, we are your captains and it's steady, watch me navigate. So here is the thing, no blue skies seen here. All I know that this town is nothing but tears and frowns. We can go to a place where we can feel good sunshine and happiness. Windmill, windmill for the land, love forever, hand in hand. Take it all there on your stride. It is ticking, falling down. Love forever, love is free. Let's turn forever, you and me. Windmill, windmill for the land is everybody. Don't stop, get it, we are your captains and it's steady, watch me navigate. Don't stop, get it, we are your captains and it's steady, watch me navigate. Windmill, windmill for the land, love forever, hand in hand. Take it all there on your stride. It is ticking, falling down. Love forever, love is free. Let's turn forever, you and me. Windmill, windmill for the land is everybody. Da 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 da. We're on top of the world. We're on top of the world now, darling, so don't let go. Can I call you mine? So can I call you mine now, darling, for a whole lifetime? My heart finally trusts my mind, and I know somehow it's right. And oh, we got time, yeah. So darling, just say you'll stay right by my side. And oh, we got love, yeah. So darling, just swear you'll stand right by my side. We're on top of the world. We're on top of the world now, darling, so don't let go. I got something to say. You're perfect in every way. I'm gonna shout it out. I wanna tell you now, 'cause I know somehow it's right. And oh, we got time, yeah. Darling, just swear you'll stay right by my side. And oh, we got love, yeah. Darling, just swear you'll stand right by my side. Be my forever, be my forever, be my forever. Be my forever, be my forever, be my forever. You're my bright blue sky, you're the sun in my eyes. Oh, baby, you're my life, you're the reason why. We're on top of the world. We're on top of the world now, darling, so don't let go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And oh, we got time, yeah. We got love, so darling, just swear you'll stay.
Ini saya udah selesai menggambar untuk molar 2 rahang bawah sulungnya. Ini adalah gigi terakhir pada gigi sulung. Ini bisa dilihat hasilnya. Ini adalah dari aspek buka. Yang ini adalah aspek lingualnya. Yang ini adalah okusal. Ini adalah mesialnya. Dan ini adalah distalnya. Baik, saya akan mereview ulang gambar dari yang pertama, insisif 1, insisif 2, caninus dan polar satunya.
Can you find the time to let your lover love you? He only wants to show you the things he wants to learn to. The hardest parts you'll get through, and in the end you'll have your best friend.
Ini ada yang pertama saya gambar tadi. Ini ada insisif 1, rahang bawah sulung dari 5 aspek ya. Selanjutnya ini adalah insisif 2, rahang bawah sulungnya. Ini adalah caninus. Ini adalah molar 1, rahang bawah sulung dari 5 aspek. Dan ini ada yang terakhir, molar 2, rahang bawah sulung. Baik, itu saja dari saya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
His love was strong and so true. His arrows aiming for you, and he's the one that